Welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, man. What a beautiful day out here in Atlanta, Georgia. I'm at the dealership today, man. Some days I work at the dealer, some days I work. Well, I'm talking too much. Anyway, y'all know what I'm going to check out, what I'm finna go, what problem car I have today, or at least one on my list. I'm gonna turn it around and show you. Take a look at that. That's right, 2005, I think, maybe. PT Cruiser. I think this is 2005. Well, anyway, overheating, man. I don't know. We're gonna find out. As you know, there's a lot of things that can cause overheating. Everybody know that. Everybody's aware of that. But your boy, and what's associated with the overheating is, of course, the ticket says the AC don't work. So if you put two and two together, you are aware by now that the particular part that's associated with overheating and AC not working, chances are it's probably something in the fan circuit, the electric fan. You need an electric fan to operate for your AC to be efficient, and you need a fan for your cooling system to be efficient. So if you want to relate the fan to the AC and engine, that's very well the case, because like I said, you need the fan to help with the cooling system, make it efficient, release the heat out of the radiator, and you also need the fan to do the exact same thing out of the condenser. Now, you do not need a fan when you're driving, say, on the freeway or the highway, 60, 70 miles an hour. The fan do not come into play because ram air is essentially ramming into your radiator and your condenser. So you do not need a fan from that point. Now, some of the symptoms you'll get out of these little things is you have the AC on. Look at that. You feel, y'all can't feel, but y'all probably can hear. The fan's trying to come on. So it's actually bogged down the car. I mean, the whole car is just bogged down. I have the AC on. I know the compressor probably running. If the compressor running, it's going to shut off. If it's running, that also should tell you, that you have Freon. Now, is you properly full of Freon? That's not what I'm saying, because you don't know that unless you don't properly know if you have the right amount of Freon in it, unless you take it all out and go back in with the correct amount. Okay, it's determined by the weight. But yeah, I have the fan on, I have the AC on, and the car running. Right when the AC or right when the fan try to kick in, the car bogged down. Now, another thing you need to keep an eye on, this car don't have an expansion valve, have an orifice tube in the liquid line. Those tend to clog up a lot. Okay, now I done got to the point to where I don't even, I'm not saying you should do this, I don't even test or try to determine if an orifice tube bad. That liquid line is so inexpensive. Every time I do an AC repair, I recommend to the customer that they go ahead and replace that liquid line, because you're gonna get a new orifice tube, of course. And chances are it's probably leaking. They leak a lot. Well, I'm finna, now I did a full fan diagnostic on a PT Cruiser, but it was the second generation. Okay, it was the big harness that I tell you. A lot of people got on me about that. That video do not apply to the first generation PT Cruiser. This generation uses a 3-wire setup only. Now, they both have a low speed and a high speed fan, but the way it's wired is totally different from generation 1 PT to generation 2 PT. So I'm gonna try to go over that on this video while I got it in. Matter of fact, I'll do that. So let me wrap this video up. I don't know what kind of, this is just a discussion. We'll call it a discussion. PT Cruiser, first generation. Look, this car stalled. So that's how much power that fan has over the complete, over the car. It would actually, the car died. The car stalled out. I'm in gear with the AC on and the fan trying to kick in, and will essentially pull everything down and shut the car off. Which begs the question, will a fan cause your car to stall out? Absolutely yes. All right, now I'm rambling too. I'm going on too much rambling. All right, so let me end this right now. And I get back with y'all on some more diagnostic. I'm gonna try to I'm gonna check this whole car over and go over with y'all what I found, because it's a lot of, I didn't know this, but there's a lot of first generation owner PT Cruiser owners out there overseas, in other countries. It's amazing with the internet. I'm in the Facebook group, the PT Cruiser forums and the rooms, and people ask a lot of questions. I talked to a lot of people over there. There are some damn diesel PT Cruisers over there. I did not know that. I have never seen a diesel PT Cruiser, but they exist. So I'm still rambling. Let me end this video. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video, which will be soon. Thanks for watching.